Toyota has announced a new maintenance package for customers who have pre-booked the upcoming urban cruiser SUV called the Respect Package. It's crafted in line with Toyota's customer-first philosophy and is initiated keeping in mind the trust and faith of the loyal customers that have placed on the brand. According to the company, it is rewarding customers who have pre-booked the urban cruiser SUV by trusting the brand even without seeing the vehicle or knowing the price. The Respect Package offers free maintenance up to 2 years or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. Toyota is expecting to launch the urban cruiser compact SUV sometime this month during the ongoing festive season. The company is accepting pre-bookings for a token amount of Rs 11,000. Customers can book the SUV online or at any of the authorized dealerships across the country. The urban cruiser features an all-new grille much like its elder sibling, the Fortuner. Other exterior features include LED projector headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, roof rails, fog skid plates at both ends and 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. The company is also offering the compact SUV with a host of color schemes. This includes 6 solid color options and 3 dual-tone schemes. The dual-tone options could be available on the top-spec trims only. The Toyota compact SUV will be powered by the same engine and transmission that is currently featured on the new Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. It comes powered by a 1.5-liter K-series engine with the brand Smart Hybrid vehicle from Suzuki Mild Hybrid Technology. It produces a maximum of 104 bhp and a peak torque of 138 Nm. The engine comes mated to either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The Toyota Urban Cruiser is the brand's new small-size SUV that will be launched in the Indian market. Toyota cars are known for low maintenance, and with the addition of Respect Package, it further enhances the hassle-free ownership experience for customers who have pre-booked the Urban Cruiser compact SUV. Superbikes manufacturer Ducati had announced that it will launch its Scrambler series in India. Luxury motorcycle brand Ducati today announced the launch of the all-new Scrambler 1100 Pro and the 1100 Sport Pro, priced at Rs 11.95 lakhs and Rs 13.74 lakhs respectively, ex-showroom pan-India. The motorcycle puts out a maximum power of 86 HP at 7500 rpm and a maximum torque of 88.4 Nm at 4050 rpm, and it is tuned for smooth delivery of power across the rev range. It is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox and the clutch is a wet multiplate type with hydraulic control and a servo-assisted sleeper function that limits rear wheel destabilization during downshifts. In perfect scrambler style, this engine has a 98mm bore and a 71.5mm of stroke, prioritizing fluid acceleration across the rev range and great handling. Designed to be simple and accessible, this twin-cylinder engine features competitive 12,000 km maintenance intervals. At the rear, instead of a full LED tail light assembly, emits a soft light, making use of a technology unique within the motorcycling world. LED indicators positioned alongside the headlight assembly and the rear mudguard complete the Ducati Scrambler 1100 Pro style to perfection. The Scrambler 1100 Pro mounts the Maserati suspension system at the front and the Kayaba at the rear. The 1100 Pro is equipped with a Brembo braking system with ABS cornering as standard. At the front, a 320mm double disc has been fitted with the 2 Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers, and at the rear there is a 245mm disc on which a 34mm single piston caliper works. The Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro is the beefiest version in the Scrambler family. It features all the styling details of the Pro and also a unique equipment set with all-in suspension, specifically a 45mm diameter upside-down fork and a rear shock absorber with adjustable spring preload and rebound damping. Both allow 150mm wheel travel to cover all types of terrain, from city obstacles to those that can be encountered on soft off-road tracks. Also on offer are cafe racer rear view mirrors and a flat handlebar, which makes weaving through the urban obstacle course a child's play, while the 1514 wheelbase maximizes stability even at the high speeds. The 1100 Sport Pro also features a matte black paint scheme complemented by side panels sporting a painted 1100 logo. The Ducati Scrambler 1100 Pro Twins are also at the forefront of electronics. They are equipped with Ducati traction control, regulated specifically for these models, and cornering ABS, which ensures safety on every road. The 3 standard riding modes, Active, Journey and City, help even less experienced riders to find the right balance in the use of electronic components by choosing the riding style. Also, both the models mount a Pirelli MT60 RS120/80 ZR18 tire at the front and the 180/55 ZR17 tire at the rear, which have been specially developed for the Scrambler. The Ducati Scrambler 1100 Pro instrument panel has two elements. Like the other bikes in the range, the main one has a round design positioned above and to the right of the headlight. This unit is fully digital. It features new multifunction switchgears that lets riders select riding modes and modify them. The 1100 Pro comes with the new two-tone Ocean Drive livery, and 1100 Sport Pro in its sporty attitude comes in a matte black paint scheme. Bookings are now open across all Ducati dealerships in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kochi, Kolkata and Chennai, and deliveries will begin immediately. Mahindra recently took the wraps of the all-new 2020 Thar. The off-roader has been well received because of its new design, features, performance and technology. The company will be launching the 2020 Thar on October 2nd, 2020. 91 Wheels have posted some images on social media regarding the accessory list for the all-new Mahindra Thar. However, the leaked brochure of 2020 Thar's accessories reveals quite a lot of information about the SUV. So what exactly does the list include? List of accessories available with the new Thar will include an exterior style pack, chrome pack, black front bumper cladding, wheel arc cladding, headlight chrome appliques, rain visors, body decal, etc. Furthermore, the company will also be offering different seat cover, steering cover, lamination mat, magnetic sunshade, and a list of other optional accessories. Comparing the new SUV to the previous model, the 2020 Thar has come leaps and bounds on all factors that were considered basic in the previous gen models. Be it the exterior design, interior design, and features, all of them are in tune with the current times and the latest technologies. The SUV now comes packed with features and equipment. This includes a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering-mounted controls, cruise control, semi-digital instrument cluster, and roof-mounted speakers, and many more. The all-new 2020 Mahindra Thar will be powered by a 2.0-litre TJDI M Stallion petrol engine and a 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine. The petrol unit produces 150 bhp of power and 320 Nm of peak torque, while the diesel engine churns out 130 bhp of power and 300 Nm of torque. Both engines come mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Additionally, all models are offered with shift-on-fly or on-demand 4-wheel drive systems as standard. The new Gen SUV offers better space, premium interiors, new powertrain options, and fresh design, with all the updated features. Ford has teased the upcoming Endeavour Sport SUV in the Indian market. The Endeavour Sport variant of the SUV will be launching soon. The company has released a teaser on all its social media channels. The Sport variant features several changes over the standard model, which are limited to just a few cosmetic upgrades. The special edition SUV has been spied ahead of launch, revealing new changes that are made to the upcoming SUV variant. The new variant of the brand's flagship SUV will feature several trims finished in a blacked out scheme all around. This includes a blacked out grille. The sport variant of the SUV is expected to carry the same dual-tone black and beige theme as seen on the standard models. However, it could undergo slight cosmetic changes to match the blacked out exteriors of the car. Apart from the cosmetic upgrades, the limited edition will remain the same mechanically. It will continue to come powered by a 2.0-litre EcoBlue diesel engine that produces 168 bhp and 420 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 10-speed torque converter automatic transmission unit with the brand's Select Shift technology. The SUV is also offered with an optional 4-wheel drive system on the top spec variant. Some features includes all LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. The Ford Endeavour also features the brand's connected technology called Ford Pass, which enables owners to remotely control the SUV and offer a host of vehicle information as well. Other features include a panoramic sunroof, a terrain management system, hill hold assist, hill descent control, and more. The Ford Endeavour currently retails between Rs 29.99 lakh and Rs 33.42 lakh ex-showroom. The sport variant could be based on the top-spec Titanium Plus trim and is expected to carry a premium over the standard model's pricing. MG Motor India has today introduced India's first autonomous Level 1 premium SUV, MG Gloster. The much-awaited Gloster comes as the car maker's third product in India after the Hector, India's first internet car, and ZS EV, India's first internet electric SUV. The MG Gloster comes with first-in-segment Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS. Some of its pioneering features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and automatic parking assist, amongst others, like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and blind spot detection. MG has further come up with an on-demand 4-wheel drive that extends multiple driving modes in the Gloster. It is an intelligent all-terrain system that provides enhanced control during vehicle off-roading with a dedicated rear differential and Borg-Warner transfer case. a state-of-the-art electronic shift-on-the-fly technology. It comes with 7 different drive modes, namely snow, mud, sand, eco, sport, normal and rock. MG Gloster further features MG iSmart technology that considerably adds to the vehicle's overall experience. It includes several industry firsts including critical tire pressure voice alert, Shortpedia app that gives short news summaries, and anti-theft immobilization via smartphone that remotely halts the engine ignition. It comes with 3D maps from MapMyIndia, which includes COVID testing center locations in maps, apart from various alerts like potholes and speed alerts. In addition to these, Gloster customers will also get Apple Watch connectivity and can operate their Gaana app with voice control, alongside personalized welcome and greeting messages. ACC helps in maintaining a safe distance with other vehicles by adjusting speed, and APA ensures automatic parking. FCW alerts a driver about a possible collision via visual and acoustic signatures. Similarly, AEB activates braking intervention to prevent a collision with any four-wheeler or to decrease the speed of the same. And LDEW raises an alert upon departing from lanes. Besides powering Gloster with AI technology and computer vision, MG has also integrated 360-degree cameras and sensors to eliminate all blind spots with blind spot detection. It further comes with a PM2.5 filter to help occupants breathe clean air. Higher variants of the MG Gloster will be powered by the globally acclaimed 2.0 diesel twin-turbo engine at 218 PS power and 480 Nm of torque, making it the most powerful SUV in its category. It will also come with a segment-leading 12.3-inch HD touchscreen along with segment-first captain seats, 64-color ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof. The SUV will come in 4 colors: agate red, metal black, metal ash and warm white. MG Motor India is also set to soon unveil the industry-first Shield, an innovative ownership package for Gloster customers. The pre-booking of the luxurious 4-wheel drive MG Gloster is now live on the MG Motor India website as well as its 200+ centers across India. Customers can book their much-awaited premium SUV for a booking price of Rs 1 lakh. As a part of its commitment to the customer, the automaker also extends a contactless suite of services including MG VPHY, that is voice-guided demonstration of vehicles at retail touchpoints.
Ford has launched the all-new Endeavour Sport in the Indian market. The Endeavour Sport carries a price tag of Rs 35.10 lakh ex-showroom Delhi and is based on the Titanium Plus 4x4 trim. The Endeavour Sport features blacked-out cosmetic elements to the exterior that gives the SUV a sportier look. The blacked out scheme includes a blacked out grille at the front, lower bumper, black inserts on the ORVMs, rear nameplate and alloy wheels. The side step is also blacked out along with a host of sport badging on the outside of the SUV. The SUV also gets an all-LED headlamp, LED tail lamps, DRLs and fog lights, which have been borrowed from the standard models. The sport variant of the SUV carries the same dual-tone black and beige theme as seen on the standard models. However, we wish that the cabin also got the blacked out treatment with some red inserts to match the exterior of the SUV. It also gets an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. The SUV also features the brand's connected technology called Ford Pass, which enables owners to remotely control their SUV and offer a host of vehicle information as well. Other features include a panoramic sunroof, powered front seats, dual-zone climate control, hands-free tailgate opening, cruise control, a terrain management system, hill hold assist, hill descent control and many more. Mechanically, the Endeavour Sport is powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine that produces 168 bhp of power and 420 Nm of peak torque. The unit is mated to a 10-speed torque converter automatic transmission unit with the brand's Select Shift technology. The SUV is also offered with an optional 4-wheel drive system on the top spec variant. As far as the safety is concerned, the Endeavour Sport comes equipped with 7 airbags, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitor, hill descent control and many more. Ford Endeavour has been the brand's best-selling model in the Indian market. What are your thoughts about this Ford Endeavour Sport new model? Do let us know in the comment section, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.